Alexa, open Sanjeev Kapoor recipes.
Hi, I could say that I am your kitchen assistant, or a recipe finder, or your friendly food bot. But here's the deal. Food makes people happy. So I am here to clear an easy and tasty path to your happiness, with Sanjeev Kapoor recipes. Before we begin, tell me, what kind of dietary preference do you have? Vegetarian, non-vegetarian, or vegan?
Vegetarian.
Vegetarian. Got it. I'll remember that for all our future food talk.
Hi and welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor's recipe powered by Clove Chef. This is the only thing that you will ever need when it comes to easy and interactive cooking experience. With best of recipes from across the world and step-by-step instructions on how to make them. We are going to help you master the art of cooking and make sure you have lots of fun while you cook.
What would you like to prepare today?